Complex facility management is a nightmare. Whether you're inspecting HVAC systems in a warehouse, digitizing a building for BIM, or working on renovations of an old structure, you'll know that facility management isn't straightforward. After all, the list of challenges can feel endless. Challenge number 1 is safety. You need to keep your inspectors and surveyors safe, whether they're working in confined spaces or at height. What's the next step? Your next challenge is access. Whether it's elevator shafts or confined spaces, you need quick access in a safe way. Your third challenge is downtime. Every second counts, both in terms of time and money. You could be delaying standard operations or having to hire special safety teams. We need to make sure inspections for facility management are quick and efficient. So what's the solution? How can you make it easier? We think that the answer is drones. They can provide remote access, detailed data, and cut inspection times in half while keeping your team safe. How does it work and what are the benefits? Let's dive into it. Drones are everywhere today, and with good reason. They're making it possible to gain quicker, easier access to spaces and to keep people safe. Indoor drones specifically offer a huge number of benefits. The use of a drone to reach areas at height can make it safer for your inspectors, cutting ladder access or cherry picker use, and dangerous inspections are reduced. Meanwhile, the safety regulations are simpler because drones require fewer checks and regulations than human intervention. Drones offer 100% data coverage in half as much time. It's not just the photos either. Drones can now capture LiDAR scans and other types of data, including steel thickness for NDT. This shows how much they've evolved as a tool. So what does the perfect facility management drone look like? You'd need a type that can be quick to deploy, that's easy to fly, and ready to work indoors, even if there's a risk of collisions. You also want to capture multiple types of data, so you can rely on the information that it gathers. We're talking about a drone like the Elios 3. This is the leading indoor space drone. Designed in Switzerland and built for extremes, it is the ultimate industrial inspection tool. It's collision tolerant thanks to this cage and very robust. It's equipped with 4K cameras and 16,000 lumens of lighting so you can see everything, along with a centimeter accurate LiDAR scanner. Altogether, it's your perfect tool for complex facility inspections. The workflow is straightforward. Step 1, get on site with a drone and plan your flight. Step 2, collect the data, measuring the points of interest that you spot along the way. Rust, corrosion, any spots you think need work, map them with the drone. Then, step 3, export the data and process it. Step 4, share your data. Explore it with your different team members, share it with maintenance teams, external contractors, whoever needs it. So, how are drones like this used today? Let's take 2 examples. The first is from a cement plant, where they wanted to install brand new ventilation and piping ducts. The plan was to create a 3D model of the entire site and use it for scan to BIM, a model that would allow them to visualize where they wanted to install the new equipment. Traditionally, this would take 10 days of work with an external scanning team. Not this time. Using the Elios 3, they managed to collect all of the data in just 1 day, and they saved 30,000 euros that they would have spent on hiring consultants. Let's take another example, this time from the iconic Jaguar Land Rover. I'll let them explain it in their own words.
We are now working towards factories of the future. We wanted to replace the manual methods of inspection. The drone can do the inspection in about 10 minutes, which would otherwise take 3 to 4 hours. It can really go into very difficult, complicated areas where it's almost impossible to reach.
Clearly, the Elios 3 is ready to take off in complex facility management. The technology is available, proven, and already in use at different sites around the world. If you want to check out more case studies, learn some more information, or simply have questions, check on the links below. We'll see you for the next video where we can explore more about what drones can offer for complex asset management.